Hi guys, my name's Aurora and today we're going to make a super easy, delicious Oreo milkshake. First you need glass cups or these fancy jars. Then you get some chocolate syrup. You squeeze it into the jar or the glass cup. Then you go around. You might need parents' help with this. My mum helped me do the jars just before. Now I'm going to put them all in the fridge. My mum just told me put them in the fridge as well doing the jars. So now I'm going to put the Oreos in. It doesn't matter what flavor they are. Then next we'll put in the ice cream that's melting. So now we need to put the 2 cups of milk in. Now we need to put the lid on. Okay. You need your parent to help with the blender. So when my mum was blending the milkshake, I got out the jars and now we're gonna pour in you need a parent to supervise. Since there wasn't enough, we're going for a whole jar. We're gonna top it off with some more milk. So we're putting on the whipped cream right now. So now we're going to finish it up with some of the other things that I got at. Since it's melting, I'm going to quickly put on some marshmallows. And then we're going to get the rest of the Oreos. So we got the Oreos. There's 2 different kinds. First, there's this kind that's multi, chocolate and vanilla. So I'm going to put that right there before it melts. Now I'm going to put one on here. Then I'm going to decorate in just a stick. So now we're going to just put some sprinkles in your pan and just sprinkle them on. And my dogs like sprinkles a lot. So I'm going to sprinkle some on that one. And then we're going to sprinkle some on this one as well. So we've finished all that. I'm just going to get my mum to help with the chocolate. So I'm going to get one of these short wafer sticks. Put them right there. You can add wafer sticks if you like. Then you can, and then your things are ready. But first, you need some. I'm gonna stick one right there, and the other one is the end of this first show, and I'm going to be at lots of different houses to do it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like the show, and comment down below if you really like it.